Alright, so back here with more laser fun and games. If you remember, I changed the right front CV axle. I actually found a vendor that had one. Well, we put it in, and it clicks. Clickety, 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 clickety. Absolutely most annoying damn thing in the world. Sounds like one that's dying or losing grease or blown apart. So Scott jumps on the internet, searches with the factory number, and gets us this guy here, the one on the right, the one I left, the original one. Part number CH8052. Well, looking at it, because we kept the original one in the box that I got came in, CH8052. Fun. So I lined it up with the original, and it actually looks like it's an RCH longer. But I'm going to jack the car up and check it against the one that I put in just for S&Gs to make sure. But if that's also a problem, then we really need to find a vendor that can rebuild OEM ones, because this is getting annoying. NCV 12026. Let's see what we got over here. There's no markings on this one, but the length sure appears the same. Oh, let's pop this baby down here and just take a gander. Ooh. This one's got full-on scalloped ends, where this one's solid. Interesting. Very, very interesting.